Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you are trying to add Adobe Photoshop in your device, now to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Microsoft Store, and after opening up your Microsoft Store, now in search bar you can search for Adobe, and after searching for Adobe, now you can find this application which is Adobe Photoshop. What you can do is just simply install it, but after installing it you will find out that it's a free version and you have to pay to use the application. But if you want to download the free version of Adobe, you can do that. So what you have to do is just simply in search bar you can search for Adobe Photoshop Express. And after searching for Adobe Photoshop Express, now you'll find this application which is Adobe Photoshop Express. So now if you are a beginner or just trying to learn photo editing on Adobe, what you can do is just simply install it because it is the free version and you can access all the features without any restrictions. So what you can do is just simply tap on get and install it in your device. So this is the free version and this is the paid version of Adobe. So this is the paid version. You can see the paid option in the top. So you can find the paid option which is on the top over here. And now if you'll just search for Adobe Express, after searching for Adobe Photoshop Express, you will find there is a free option in the top. So this is the free version. You can use it if you are a beginner. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.